Ever wanted to learn Arduino but don't have the hardware yet, or you don't have enough money for buying hardware and you want to learn Arduino programming? No problem. You can start right now completely free and you are at the right place. Please have a seat. We're going to start. In this video, I will show you how to build and test real Arduino circuits virtual using Tinkercad, an amazing online simulator that lets you code, wire, and experiment just like with a real thing. Whether you're a complete beginner or just want to prototype before buying components, this tool will change the way you learn electronics. Let's dive in and start creating your first virtual circuits step by step. Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Continuing with the Arduino series, I'm going to introduce you to a very interesting tool, a completely free website called Tinkercad, formerly known as Fingercad. You can access it via the link provided below the video. So, what is it exactly? Tinkercad allows you to prototype without any hardware, create a small schematics and circuits, and simulate them in real time to check if they work before buying them physically. This is useful if you don't have all the required sensors or components, or if you just want to test before investing in hardware. You can even program Arduino boards virtually, which is quite convenient. To do that, open a browser. Tap Tinkercad, okay, wait a while. Yes, choose the first link here. Right, very good. Once you're on the home page, you need to create an account if you haven't already. Then you can create designs, circuits, and lessons. For our purposes, we focus on circuits, so we click on circuits. Okay, let's come here. We create a circuits. The website also offers a gallery of circuits, a community, and learning resources. So let's create a new circuit. When you click, a new window opens. The interface is intuitive. You have all available components, the basic ones, additional components, starter kits. We start with the basic components. We start with the basic components, sorry. For example, you can select a push button, place it here, whether you want on the sheet. You can rename the button here. We're going to rename it as push button. Sorry, push button. You can move it, zoom in and off and out with the scroll wheel to prepare a larger circuit more comfortably. Okay, but we're not going to do that. We delete it. So first of all, let's come back to the basic thing that we can do with an Arduino, which is to make an LED stay continuous. Yes, choose a breadboard, place it here. Okay. Then select the Arduino Uno. Right? Oh, sorry. Uh, sorry. Right. After that, insert an LED uh, across row 29 and 30. Uh, place a resistor between in the circuits. Yes, it is very important to insert a resistor to not fire your LED. Remember, as I taught you in the first video. Then use two ways to bring power from the Arduino, one to the 5 volt pin which is the positive, and the other from to the GND pin, the ground. Okay, so we bring uh, here is the positive pin. We're going to connect it to the 5 volt of the Arduino. Okay, let's change the color. Choose the red one. Right. The second thing that we're going to do is to connect the negative pin of the negative leg, sorry, of the LED to uh, to the to the ground of to the GND of of the Arduino. Okay, let's change the color. Black one. Well, very good. As the circuit is ready, let's go for the simulation part. On the top right, click on Start Simulation. Right. The LED is turned on as you can see. It doesn't do anything special yet, but this demonstrates the basic setup. Okay. So the second thing that we're gonna do now is to make our LED blinks. Okay, so let's create a new circuit. Choose the Arduino Uno, put it here, and we're going to choose also the breadboard. Right. And we're going to place the LED at the same place. We place the LED here. We also place a resistor here. Right. Very good. To connect the components, we simply select the breadboard pins and connect them to the Arduino pins. Let's use pin 13 for the LED. So the positive leg of the LED is connected to the pin number 13 of the Arduino. Okay, pin number 13. Right. Okay. Right. Let's change the color to red. Very good. As you know, we're going to connect the negative leg of the LED to the GND of the Arduino. Okay. Let's change the color before all. Okay. Yeah. To the GND. Right. Once the circuit is set up, you need to write some code so that pin 13 output current makes the LED blink. Yes, click on our code and window opens. You can use a Scratch. Uh, you can use Scratch Visual Blocks. Great for beginners who don't want to write C++ yet, or switch to C++, which we do here. Okay, you can switch to C++. Yes, continue. Right. By default, Tinkercad provides a program that makes the LED blinks. Perfect for testing an LED. The code is simple. In setup, we're not going to change. In setup, pin 13 is set as output, and in low, the pin turns on. Wait 100, wait 1000 milliseconds, turns off, wait another 1000 milliseconds, and repeats. Okay. To test click Start Simulation. Right. It, the LED blinks as expected. You can modify the values to make it blink faster or slower. For example, you can stop the simulation and modify the code. So you can change the value. For example, 100 millisecond here, 100 millisecond here, and and do again start simulation. The LED blinks faster than the previous one with 1000 milliseconds. So the 100 millisecond blinks faster than the 1000 milliseconds. Okay, you can share stop the simulation. So you can share uh, you can share your project, export it, enable the serial monitor just like on a Wii Arduino, use the debugging console, download the code here, or access the libraries. If you use sound generating components, the site which even output sound through your computer. It is perfect for testing sensors such as infrared or ultrasonic before buying them. Okay. Finally, click on the on page. You will find all your save secured. You can reopen them, edit them, duplicate them, delete them, rename them. Yes, you can rename them here. You can relate them through the properties panel. So that's all for today. I hope this short tutorial was helpful. This is a very practical tool that I definitely use in future videos so you can follow along more easily. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will see you soon for the next video. Bye.